performance car it may be, but the Civic Type R has to provide an element of practicality if it is to live up to the daily driver brief demanded of it by a photographer. If I'm heading to a shoot, I need space, and plenty of it, for my kit.
I have to say that so far I'm impressed by what I've found in the Civic.
There's a surprising amount of room under that bespoilered rear hatch, and it's certainly generous by the standards of this class.
Officially, the Civic has 420 liters of boot space, increasing to 786 liters if you fold down all of the 60-40 split rear seat and pile your possessions as high as the bottom of the window line. One idea that I like very much is the retractable luggage cover, which puts me in mind of either a roller blind or a Bacofoil dispenser. I find conventional solid parcel shelves rather ungainly, not least because I'm often forced to remove them to free up additional space and have to find somewhere safe to stow them. That's fine if you're blessed with your own garage in which to put such a cumbersome item, but considerably less fine if you're 20 minutes down the M1 before you remember you've left the flipping thing at Bruntingthorpe Proving Ground.
So retractable luggage covers are the way forward, and what sets the Civics apart from many others is that it deploys from the side, so it doesn't act as a barrier across the width of the car when you need more space.
It's one of those ideas that I can scarcely believe isn't implemented more often.
On a different note, in my previous report I mentioned the squealing brakes that were drawing unwanted attention to our Civic Type R during slow speed, around town driving.
If the Type R online forums are any guide, it's a fairly common issue with this latest Civic. Our car has since been back to Honda's Brest garage, where the technicians skimmed the Brembo discs.
That has alleviated the issue for the time being, but I've been warned that it is likely to return.
Indeed, the owner's manual, believe it or not, we've bothered to read it, states that to satisfy the performance under a wide range of driving conditions, a high-performance braking system is equipped on your vehicle.
You may hear the brake squeal under certain conditions, such as vehicle speed, deceleration, humidity and so on.
This is not a malfunction.
So the noise is an unfortunate byproduct of the car's performance intent, then, although in my opinion that doesn't satisfactorily explain why the Civic Type R makes it when many other performance cars do not.